y'all see it look cute, right? And you know, I just want to jump right into it, so we just gonna do that. So here's the braid pattern that I'm using, and I've seen Crown K, is it, do this braid pattern a lot where she does crochets, and I really want to try it out. I didn't braid my own hair. I had my friend actually braid my hair down because I just didn't have the time. So she braided my hair down and it came out good. It was her first time doing it, and I think she did pretty good. She doesn't think she did good, but it looked good, girl. It looked good. So this is the hair. It's just a standard little kit, you know, a little card about the hair, a little thank you card. These are handmade, and I could really tell, and I'm gonna get into that a little later into the video. But yeah, it just comes with the crochet. It was 6 packs. I think there was 12. I think I'll double count. I'll count them again and put it in the description of the box. But I think it was 12 that came in the pack, and there were 6. And altogether, I think I used 5 packs. So I have a whole pack left over. I have a small ass hat, so you know, it is what it is. So I'm just going through and taking the crochet that came in the pack, and I am just pulling that little piece back and just connecting it to my head, so I can just, I guess, have a flat surface. I don't know. Just so it's not in my way. Bottom of the lock is like a tad bit bigger than the hole, so I end up realizing that instead of trying to crochet the end into the lock, it was just easier to use my hand, and I think I do that in a second. And y'all, please do not mind my hands. I did my nails, but I only did one hand and I did the other hand like the next day after doing this hair. But yeah, so ignore that if y'all see that. But yeah. up each braid. So I would start from the back and then I would go to the front, and then I would start by putting the needle under the braid and pulling the crochet hair, and then I would use my hands to put the tip of the crochet through the loop and tighten it. And I did that pretty much the whole time. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory. I love this braid pattern because it really does make the front look like it's individuals. It's real cute, y'all. It's real cute. it doesn't bother my scalp, but I do spray some of this onto my scalp and the hair, and I don't know, it just works for me. So do what works for you. If washing the hair works for you, go ahead and continue to do that. I just don't be having time to do that. So this is it. It's doing what it needs to do, okay? Like, I am so in love with these. I love the braid pattern because just look. And I did a couple of styles y'all gonna see here, but yeah, this is really much the end of the video. Let me know how I did. Do y'all like it? Is it cute? What is it giving? It's giving very much real beautiful. I love these locks. But I will drop everything down in the description box. Y'all continue to watch me style them up a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Your girl drop videos. Once you drop videos, y'all know how that goes. You know, life be happening. But yeah, subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up. Put some comments in the comment section. Y'all talk to me. What's going on? And yeah, I'm very much ashy, but it's okay. I'm still cute. You see it? Ooh. Look at the makeup. Ooh, okay, I'm done.